John? Okay, put your hands on the table. Speak loudly, okay? Okay? Yes, teacher? Very good. What's your name? John, how old are you? John? Very good. Are you hungry? Are you hungry? No. Are you thirsty? Yes. Okay. Later, John, you will drink. Okay. Do not play with the microphone. All right. So just put your hands on the table and listen to the teacher. Eyes on teacher. Okay. Let's start, John. Don't play. Put your hands on the table and let's start our tests. First, let's try to answer the colors. What color is it? Very good. Tonen. Next. Good. Do you like yellow? Yes, I? Okay. Do you like red? Yes, you do. Alright. Next, what color is it? Green. Next. Do you like black or do you like green? I like green. Very good. Next, what number is it? What's the color of number 6? Color? Brown. What number is it? What's the color of number 7? White. Do you like brown or do you like white? I like white. Okay. Okay, put your hands on the table. Only teacher. Okay, only teacher will swipe. Alright, what number? What color is number 5? Color? What number is 10? Very good. What number is it? Very nice. Now let's move on to animals. What animal is it? Fish. Fish. It's a fish. Next, what animal is it? It's a lion. Okay, what do you like, lion or fish? I like. Wow. Next. What are you wearing?
I'm wearing a scarf. I'm wearing hat. I'm wearing this top.
Very good, John. Next, what says milk? Moon. What do you like, milk or moon? You like moon. Okay. Next, what says What do you like, sunny, sun or sandcastle? I like. You like sun. Ooh, it's big now. Put your hands on the table, John. Very good. Thank you so much. Now let's move on. Which one is glue? Oh, it's correct. Oh no. What color is your t-shirt? Color blue. What color is the table? Red. Okay, now let's go back here. So now come back so I can go on. Number 11. Okay, this one. You remember the slide. Okay, the answer is glue. Correct. 1 point, John. Next, which one is cut? Let's see. Correct, John. Very good. Next, which one is paint? Magic! Paint is correct. What is this? Put on your socks. Next, which one is your put off your shoes? Take off. Good job. Very nice, John. Next, put on your t-shirt. Which one? This one or this one? This? Okay, let's see if you're correct. Correct.